process, it starts with technology. It even empowers them to connect to the help desk systems to get that empowerment in terms of training technology and trying to get that as much as information which trying to enable a particular option or trying to empower that particular task in terms of connecting that particular information and trying to deliver timely services at the last mile. Every year we are trying to use minimum good quality products and trying to ensure minimum 36 projects which enables and empowers the last mile to get connected with the latest technologies. And for more than 2.5 decades, it continues to deliver the best out of the systems and trying to use the cutting edge, the kind of technologies which is empowered. At least compared to other organizations, we don't have much about having three major issues which was addressed part of our services, which is more to do with connectivity. So we do have most of the areas based on the available connectivity. We do have online systems, we do have offline systems which is working secure part of the devices whichever is defined part of the corporate, and trying to use as much as to use less electricity in terms of using the apps, lighter apps which is running part of the mobile systems, and trying to use the resource availability which is available part of the multilingual, and trying to empower them to get connected closely and trying to get engaged part of the systems and empower them to have the timely services in part of the businesses. We do have specifically the kind of technology which is helping part of the businesses which during even COVID crisis we can get engaged and trying to do it, because the kind of concerns and the infrastructure issues we do face along, and we try to continue to support. And every time when we come out with mobile solutions and empowered with security and other kind of solutions as per the regulators and the governance part of it, we do have enough to build part of it, because the kind of demand which was raised part of the rural was based on the kind of expectations set on the business and try to use it. And this enabled us to support during this COVID crisis, and we are continuously trying to use and empower as much as system which is compelled to use from the entities across the country, and trying to enable as much as technology which is going to serve them even after post-COVID. When it comes to our sector, the kind of technology which we use it and the kind of last 2.5 decades of information which is codified into the system, which trying to enables and empowers us to fix the kind of problems which is used now and then, and trying to address it and part of the systems. And the best part of it is it is more of an architect supporting centrally stored with a distributed data capture. Any changes which is placed and put it within 2 hours, it will be available across the country, and people can enable and trying to empower the kind of services and solutions which is part of the system. We do have a lot more in terms of we start emphasizing more on connectivity, electricity and resource availability. We try to depend more on the kind of mobile solutions which is available as of today and affordable part of it, and trying to ensure that getting engaged with the end customers both internal and external, and trying to use as much part of the PaaS or the kind of tablets whichever is currently used and deployed, which empowers and ensures the kind of expectations which is set part of the expectations in the last mile, and people trying to use it as much as which is trying to deliver to keep the business intact and keep that communications part of our collections and other part of the system, which even big process or policy process procedures part of our governance or compliance audits, trying to take part of the such end user desktops and the kind of laptops and kind of mobility got empowered with such secure aligned solutions, which is part of the centrally stored with distributed data capture. The kind of expectations set now, it's not only now for us, it's started from the beginning when we started delivering and trying to approach and trying to build the systems which is very effective, and trying to get enabled and empower the kind of mindset set part of our culture. So from beginning we have enabled to take it up such kind of pressures, such kind of the kind of automation which expects in the kind of last mile build things, which is part of our DNA, and we are forced to execute some things which is on crisis and trying to empower it. The kind of natural calamities, the kind of problems we faced at the local level, which is now part of the system, and trying to enable and empower the kind of technology systems which gives the liquidity crisis, trying to address the kind of information flowing back to the central system and timely getting executed with the product dates and the kind of products and solutions which is part of secured and aligned part of the business, empowers us to keep the control and compliance mechanism. And our focus from beginning is trying to get engaged more acquisition of the customers, build the solutions towards that expectations of the customers, which will make them to run their businesses effectively, get engaged with them to create the trust, which is part of e-business where it's less of electronics, more of emotions, and trying to build part of the businesses which is very, very effective. We have today the model which is part of the business is to create an earn to pay model, where we have created as much as kind of solutions, both system and the kind of process, policy, procedures, which enables them to create an earn to pay model, so that we get engaged with the kind of businesses is trying to execute it and trying to deliver it, which is part of that effectiveness and which is empowering us to capture part of the CRM system is more than 2.5 decades, and ensures us to give an trust factor which empowers the customer to start continuing dominating in the business, trying to get engaged and get that financial advisory timely, and trying to create that alternate empowerment in terms of the business which is passed on the natural calamities and the kind of climate updates and the kind of business engagements, which could be a farmer, transporter, or even an to pay model of a kirana shop building a better shop than the earlier. All those things comes part of the technology and trying to get enabled part of the CRM, and we are trying to get engaged and connect with the customer to continuously give them the kind of expectations set part of the system, so that he can get the business going on and keep the lights on in terms of empowering and expecting the systems to create that earn to pay model more successful. Part of the work from home which empowers us part of the corporate, where all the kind of credit goes to the management, focusing more initiated issues, trying to take it up part of digital and trying to continuously deploy the expectations set part of the existence information which is aligned part of the systems, which is very close, and which ensures that the kind of sizable workforce which trying to get connected using the work from home, and the kind of backend, again the people who connect to the central systems trying to extract information, trying to use it, the kind of work from home which ensures that within the security and it's not compromised on any of the current scenario. And the main effectiveness is what the kind of things which is timely served across the country, and ensures that the kind of information which is captured only once is served and made available to the people across the country, and trying to use it more effectively. And the best part of it is what, like, since the effectiveness of the information available and trying to translate as much as the kind of business and the collection and the kind of effective collaboration between the customer and the internal, trying to get use part of the system, and it ensures that kind of the definition and the kind of online offline and using the lighter apps which enables them to create that timely support from the end user, which creates that last mile support, and trying to use effectively kind of scenario empowers not to compromise on the security, and trying to build as much as part of the system. We do have enough options and trying to create that mobile based solutions which part of the empowering the solutions which get connected, and every month and every year part of the requirement demand when the kind of product expectations set to go, and trying to use as much as part of the technology, they are trying to get aligned with the kind of systems which is part of them, and trying to get over a period of time, trying to achieve that existence in terms of expectations set by the last mile, and trying to replicate and keeping the centrally stored with distributed data capture. It is very easy for us to deploy and try to continue to get that kind of change within 2 hours, and trying to get that solutions implemented and trying to get utilized across the country, and trying to use it more effectively as per the governance, and the kind of regulators keep on adding the kind of requirements which is part of the business, with the kind of setup in terms of business requirements part of the last mile, which is specific to the state or a district or even to a particular product, which enables to continue to deliver through the last mile systems. And the kind of trainings whichever they would want to take it, they can execute through that last mile, the kind of IT person who's sitting next to them, and that can be made available to them in the kind of local language, and trying to get engaged and made easy to them and keep it simple, so this technology gets more empowered and ensure that last mile kind of expectation. We have enough in terms of the kind of natural calamities, and continue to have the kind of infrastructure issues in the last mile, as given that kind of mindset and culture to handle such critical situations. And even during heavy crisis, we have our technology and that kind of empowerment which management focus is trying to enable and ensure us to reach to this kind of expectations, and which beyond surpassed, where we are trying to get that technology which is available to that end user in terms of both internal and external, trying to build the kind of expectations which is the current system. And the current system will still go further more in terms of mobile expectations, in terms of the kind of startups and other kind of technology available based part of the COVID situation, and trying to get more related towards the health and other measures which is also over a period of time seen, and trying to empower so that the people can continue to deliver their kind of success and the productivity the using the technology which replaces the kind of social distancing and the kind of current the regulations set by the COVID model, and the kind of business expected towards post-COVID will have a great towards technology, and technology will have very big huge impact in terms of handling huge volumes of information and the kind of data which we are so believing for last 2.5 decades, the kind of expectation set. Now this is the right time for us to get yielding those information and trying to get that information's part of the system and trying to get more close, engage with this customer, try to participate in all his requirements and trying to create a first finance advisory model for the customers which who are participating in rural India, and trying to get enable and empower the kind of services and solutions which already our corporate is focusing on, and trying to get engaged with the customers, trying to build as much as part of the existing systems.
For more updates from CXO TV, please like and subscribe to our channel.